Today we're going to be graphing circles. If you take a look at example 1 asks us to graph a circle, and in order to do that we need the radius and we need the center. If you take a look at the box up on the top, we have our standard form of equation for circles. It says the standard form of an equation for a circle with center h, k and radius r is the following: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So our center is the h and the k, and the radius is the r. So if we take a look at our equation that we have down here, we have x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal to 4. If we want to figure out what the h and the k are, the h is coming from where the x is. And notice that our original standard form, there's a minus sign in there. But in our equation, we have a plus sign. That plus sign is coming from taking the x and subtracting a negative number. So I'm going to rewrite this real quick for you. This is the same as saying x minus negative 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared. That gives you a better idea of what we're talking about here, of what that h value is going to be. So you have to make sure that you're looking at this as a subtraction sign. And what are we subtracting? We're actually subtracting a negative 3. So then we can write our ordered pair as negative 3, 2 for our center. And to find the radius, remember this number over here that's squared, that means this 4 is r squared. So we would have to take the square root of that in order to find what r is. So we know for our r value is the square root of 4, which is 2. Now, in order to graph this, we're going to graph our center first. So we're going to plot the point negative 3 and then 2, which is right here. And then our radius tells us that we should be 2 up, to the right, down, and left from our circle. So we're going to plot 4 more points on our graph. So I'm going to go 2 up from my center. I'm going to go 2 to the right. I'm going to go 2 down. And I'm going to go 2 to the left. And then I'm going to sketch in and draw my circle. If you have any questions, please let me know.